Morning chaos got you missing out on the simple joys of a homemade pancake breakfast. I am Hannah, and today I will show you how to make delicious pancakes from scratch. Pancakes are a breakfast classic, and with a few simple steps, you can make them like a pro, even on the busiest mornings. First, let's gather our ingredients. Raw ingredients, dry ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. To start, in a mixing bowl, combine the dry ingredients. That's the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Give them a good whisk until they are well mixed. Wet ingredients: 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a splash of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, add the buttermilk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Whisk them together until the mixture is smooth. Combining the wet ingredients separately ensures an even texture in your pancakes. Now pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture. Gently stir them together until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps in the batter are absolutely fine. Overmixing can lead to tough pancake. Next, let's get our pans ready. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat. You can lightly grease it with a bit of butter or cooking spray. It's crucial to get the right temperature. Test the pan with a few drops of water. If they sizzle and evaporate, it's ready. Using a ladle, pour a small amount of the batter onto the hot skillet. You can adjust the size to your preference. Wait until you see the bubbles forming on the surface and the edges turning golden. When you see those bubbles, it's time to flip. Use a spatula and flip the pancake gently. Cook for another minute or so until both sides are golden brown. Repeat this process with the remaining batter, adding a bit more butter or cooking spray to the pan as needed. And there you have it, perfect pancakes. Serve them with your favorite toppings such as syrup, fresh fruits, or whipped cream. If you are making a large batch, you can keep them warm in an oven set to a low temperature. Making pancakes is easy and incredibly satisfying. Remember, it's all about patience and getting the basics right. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or if there is something else you would like to learn how to make, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.